Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the channel of Muhammad Ali Mehdi. Today we want to cook a food by the name of shorla food, an Afghani food and a very traditional food and a very nostalgic food for all of the people that had some travel to the Afghanistan. At the first we turn on the gas and then put the pressure on the gas and add some water and then add the piece that were under the water about 3 hours. We add about 2 small spoon of salt and then 4 medium potatoes on the top of the pressure and making tight the pressure. We must wait about 20 minutes inshallah. Okay, now we are going to make the sauce, a vegetable sauce by the tomatoes, chili, green chili and some garlic inshallah. It will change the taste of the food very good. We slice the tomatoes, chilies and garlics. And more garlics and more very beautiful and tasty chili, green chili. We add 2 small spoon of vinegar and then about half a small spoon of salt. Yeah, the sauce is ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم. Open the door of pressure. Wow, it's very good. Our potatoes are ready and the peas ready too. Today we are going to have about 15 small pack for the some people for the Nazar of Imam Zaman علیه السلام. When we are giving this Nazar to the people, we want them that pray for Imam Zaman علیه السلام inshallah. You can use this food that we called it in Afghanistan shornakhot for the breakfast, for the lunch and for the dinner. There is no limit for the using of shornakhot in during the day. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم. And at the top of the all of the packs we had sliced potatoes. And at the last we add the vegetable sauce at the top of the our food, and then it will be ready for the eating inshallah. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم. If you like our channel, please subscribe and then like our videos, and at the last writing some comments to us. It will be very effectively in our channel. Thank you so much. Take care. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.